What's up, you guys? Chris Record here, and I want to talk about CBD. You've seen me post about it, you've seen me share about it. In the first 3 days marketing CBD oil, we did $10,000 in sales. In the first 7 days, over $25,000 in sales, and in the first 2 weeks, over $100,000 in sales. Okay, now when we look at our first full month, we're shooting for around $250,000 in sales of CBD oil product. And the thing is that this is crazy, right? There's not many industries that you can jump right in and get these kind of results. And today I want to share about, number one, why we're doing so well in the space, okay? And why it's absolutely exploding. Number two, how you can get involved with us if you want to get a piece of the pie of this modern day green rush. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Whether or not you're involved in the space, maybe you don't even know much about CBD oil, I want you to kind of perk up your ears right now because this industry is on fire. Think about it as the modern day gold rush. Instead of the gold rush, it's the green rush. So back in the day, in California, whatever, there's this huge gold rush, right? But the people really getting wealthy were the ones selling the picks and the shovels, the pans, the tools, if you will. And that's exactly the opportunity that you have right now. There's this green rush where everybody's rushing to use CBD oil and dispensaries and stuff are selling it. We are gonna launch something called the 90-day CBD challenge. And if you guys recall, a couple years ago, I launched the 90-day e-com challenge. And this was powered by Shopify. And instantly, we became one of the top affiliates for Shopify, and those sales funnels generated millions of dollars in revenue. Instead of 90 days of training on how to set up a Shopify store, this is gonna be 90 days of training on how to set up your own CBD business, how to cash in on the green rush. So every single day, there's gonna be more and more training. It's gonna be awesome. In just a few days, I'm gonna release the entire syllabus. It's a 12-week program. Every single day has a 7-day series, followed by a quiz. You guys, it is amazing. I can't wait for you to see this. But here's the opportunity. You can be an affiliate of this CBD challenge, okay? You can be an affiliate and you can lock up your spot. You can refer members for free, which means you can refer people, anybody that wants to learn about the CBD industry, you can refer them for free and they can jump on board in the challenge and start going through it. Now here's how it's gonna work. Every single day for 90 days, a new video is going to be unlocked. Okay, this is a 90-day challenge. So every single day they're learning something new. And every week is gonna have a focus. There might be one week, for example, that talks like all about Facebook advertising and how to advertise your business on Facebook, because CBD is kind of a controversial term. Well, let's say that that was week 7. They would have to wait 7 weeks before those videos were unlocked, okay? That's called the drip method, and people can come in for free and start using that. But if they upgrade, then what's gonna happen is they're gonna be able to unlock all 90 of the videos. They're gonna be able to unlock the entire challenge. That is gonna be awesome. And when they upgrade, you get paid right off the bat up to $200 for that upgrade, okay, in your pocket. So imagine being able to talk about CBD, being able to refer people in the challenge, and if they upgrade, boom, making $200 rips on every single person coming in. And this is legitimate, meaning that right now we've already been kind of experimenting and testing with this model privately, and it's converting like crazy. And here's why. People don't wanna wait 12 weeks for something, right? All the best modules are near the end, like weeks 8, 9, 10. They don't wanna wait, they want it right now. And when they unlock it, not only are they unlocking the training modules, they're also getting a ton of CBD product, a ton of stuff delivered to their house, they're getting all that, and they're doubling their commissions that they can earn with us. There's lots of perks that they get. So we have an incredible system that basically upgrades people from free members to paid members, and you get paid a commission every single time. Then, not only that, you have the ability to be able to override them and to be able to make money. If they want to be an affiliate or they want to make sales, you have the ability to override them. And that is the real opportunity. See, anytime that you're selling something directly, it's addition, meaning if I sell you one product, I make $50. If I sell you 2 products, I make $100, whatever it is. I am adding 50 plus 50 plus 50. What you want is you want multiplication, right? You want something that can go more viral. So when you can find people motivated to get in the CBD industry and override them, well, imagine being able to override 5 or 10 people and all the sales they make every single month. That itself could be a 6-figure passive income because you're overriding people. That's the real opportunity, is jumping in front of one of the hottest trends with a system that converts like crazy and the ability for you to make long-term income off of it, okay? Listen, CBD is absolutely exploding. The industry's crazy, and here's why. Because it used to be kind of frowned on, right? Because CBD comes from hemp-derived plants. So essentially it's mixed in with the conglomerate of marijuana, pot, stuff like that. Because it's mixed into that industry, a lot of people don't understand it. They don't understand that CBD doesn't get you high in any way. They don't understand how it works, why it's beneficial. But ever since like shows on Netflix started coming out, the news started talking about it, big people in the mainstream started talking about how CBD is actually helping so much with so many things. Once it started catching on, people took notice to it. And then what happened is they realized, well, hold on, you don't get high from it. It's made from a different plant and it's actually natural and it's helpful. So once the word got out there, the ball started rolling and things started exploding. Now, there's a bill that's on the table here in the United States called the Farm Bill. And this Farm Bill, if it passes, what it really does is it's helping to expand the ability to grow industrial hemp. Right? Hemp that's used to make CBD oil and make it completely legal and everything. This is a huge deal. It's already being grown in over 40 states, okay, which legally and everything, but this is gonna open it up everywhere, right? And once this happens, CBD oil is gonna be like literally, you're gonna start seeing this stuff sold in stores everywhere. But you can get involved right now before it gets major and mainstream. Just last month, Canada opened up border to border, completely legalized, not just CBD oil, but marijuana and everything out there. So what's happening is the industries are opening up. And what I love about CBD oil is that I personally don't smoke marijuana. I don't smoke weed. And if you do, that's cool. I don't have anything against people that do, but I personally just have no interest in it. I don't like being high. I don't even drink alcohol, okay? I used to in my past, but I don't even do anything. I like being completely clean and sober. And that's one of the reasons I like CBD oil, because I could take little drips under my tongue, be able to get some help with sleeping, to be able to rub some cream on my shoulders, to be able to get rid of some of the pain that I have, chronic pain and fatigue. I like using it, the product, to be able to help with certain things in my life. And CBD is something that I can confidently use because I know it's not going to get me high, it's not drugs. In fact, I'm more worried about going to doctors. I don't even like going to doctors. I don't want to be prescribed any drugs, okay? I'm anti-drug. CBD is all natural, it's safe, it's healthy, it's green, it's eco-friendly, it's organic. This is a good product that you can stand behind and get involved in this industry. So what's happening is the industry is exploding as a result of this, okay? Basically, the low stats, the lowest figures that I can find out there for how big this space is $2 billion by the year 2020. Okay, so just within the next couple of years, going to a $2 billion industry. The high stats, like Rolling Stone magazine has big articles saying $22 billion by 2022, 4 years from now. So we know it's going to be somewhere between $2 billion and $22 billion in the next few years. That is a huge opportunity. But the thing is, what is the real opportunity? Like, what are you going to do? Start up your own dispensary? What are you gonna do? Buy, thousands of dollars in product as wholesale and go try to retail it out on the streets? There's not really a good opportunity for the average person. And that's why what we wanted to do is create the 90-day CBD challenge, an opportunity for you to promote. So next time you're in an Uber, you can ask the Uber driver, hey, have you ever heard of CBD oil? And they're always gonna say, yeah, my aunt's using that for her dog or whatever it is. You can start up conversations about CBD with people and everybody knows about it, everybody's talking about it, and you can say, well, that's what I do. I help people make money in the CBD industry. And you can basically just refer them. You could have a little business card or a website. You could refer them to the 90-day CBD challenge. They're gonna come in for free, then they're gonna upgrade, you're gonna make a commission, then they're gonna start referring, they're gonna start buying, you're gonna make money and overrides. We've got a done-for-you system in place. Our system uses email marketing to close, it uses retargeting, it uses in-app purchases inside of it. This is one of the best turnkey systems for the CBD industry, and as you can see, it's already exploding. I mean, we haven't even launched it yet, and just testing, first 3 days, $10,000 in sales. First week, $25,000 in sales. First 2 weeks, over $100,000 in sales. Now we're gunning for $250,000 by the end of the month, and then pretty soon we'll be at $1 million a month. So what's next? Okay, listen, first and most importantly, you need to lock up your spot. Since our 90-day challenge hasn't started yet, what we've done is we've teamed up with HempWorx. HempWorx is an amazing CBD company. They've got a business opportunity attached. It works perfect. All the tracking is in place, and they're doing like $8 to $10 million a month in volume. They've done like way over $50 million in sales. It's a great company. Here's what we can do. The link below this video can lock you up as a pre-enrollee and secure your position, okay? And then what happens when the 90-day challenge launches, you've already got your position already secured, you're in position, okay? The 90-day challenge system is going to have a fee to be able to use, right? But instead of that fee, we're gonna make it available to you for free as long as you're at the executive level inside of HempWorx. So anybody right now that locks up their position and jumps on board in the executive level is gonna have access to the 90-day challenge system for free. Okay, that is an amazing deal right there. You don't have to pay anything for it. You can use this entire system to be able to build out a business. It is awesome. There's literally like 7 different ways that we're helping our members to be able to make money. But most importantly, some of the initial ones are anybody you refer to free that upgrades to executive inside of the challenge, you're gonna be making up to $200 on. Okay. Then on top of that, there's going to be other bonuses. Like literally, we're going to be able to help get you, $100 a month, $200 a month, $500 a month, $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month. Nice one-time bonuses that we're going to be able to feed into your pockets to be able to help with advertising, with marketing, and things like that. So there's lots of different ways to be able to make money as long as you lock up your position right now and upgrade your account to executive. And you're going to want to do this right away. Okay, here's why. Because we haven't promoted this video yet. When we start promoting this video out to our list, and we start promoting on social media, and we start doing all kinds of marketing to it, instead of the business going to us, we're glad to give you guys that business. We're glad to allow that business to go to you, but you've got to lock up your spot before we do our big promotion. So what can you do right now? Click the link below this video. Sign up as a pre-enrollee, okay? It's free to join. Then go through the training, go through what we're doing, and upgrade your account to executive. We have instructions on how to be able to do that. As long as you do that, you will have access to this system when we launch it as an affiliate, and you've locked up your position, so when we promote this page right now, I'll put all that business in a way that it benefits you, okay? I'll refer all that business, kind of, if you will, inside of your organization as a team so that it benefits you. This is a huge incentive. I'm talking thousands and thousands and thousands of people that are going to be coming into this. You can have a financially vested interest in them and a financial benefit. Okay, that is rare that somebody would be willing to do that, but I want people to make money. I want people that join this vision to make money with us, and here's why. The thing that's going to explode the 90-day CBD challenge is your testimonial, your case study of how much money you're making, how well this is working for you. See, CBD as an industry already has plenty of testimonials on the product. I mean, people are out there saying the product's doing so many amazing things for their lives. That's why it's exploding. That's why even the FDA has just approved the product to be able to help with like epilepsy and all kinds of things. Like literally, the product has so many testimonials. What we want is we want testimonials of you using our system and making money, earning income. Because as we could have so many people out there sharing how this is changing their life, sharing how they're getting so many great results, that's truly what's going to make a difference. That's what people want. People want to change their lives, transform their income. They want to be able to pay off their debt and quit their jobs. So we want to team up with you to help you make some money. So the sooner you lock up your position as an executive with us, it gives us the ability to be able to promote that position and be able to promote you and be able to help give you a lot of referrals, put a lot of people in your business to a point where it helps you. You can do that right now. So again, what is the action step? The action step is simple. Right now, register for free, lock up your spot. Nothing's more important than that. And make sure you upgrade your account to executive status. That qualifies you to be able to promote the 90-day CBD challenge, and it qualifies you to double your commissions, make good, nice rips up to $200 per referral, and on top of that, it secures your position so I can start building. As long as you're executive, we'll start driving a lot of business to you. So with that being said, I've shared a lot. My good friend Peter Sorensen is going to follow up with a lot of more details, more information about how to get started. Below this video, you'll see information that you can contact support. You'll see information to be able to get started right now. You'll see more information about what we're doing, the plan, and everything. Big things are happening. We'd love to be able to welcome you on board with us. And again, this is just one of the offers that's going to be inside of Lifepreneur. It's going to be awesome. Right? Lifepreneur as a company is going to be promoting a bunch of great stuff. This CBD project is just one of the biggest things that we have. So take massive action, join our team today, and I look forward to making the CBD challenge something that is absolutely lucrative for you. Instead of just digging for gold, you could be the one selling the picks and shovels.